Hi, in this 3-minute video, we'll take a closer look at the benefits of an 18x20 carport from Allen's Factory Outlet, how to customize it to meet your needs and install it for free on your property. We'll also share customer testimonials to make it even more real. Let's get started. With the 18x20 carport, the possibilities have just expanded. Think of it not just as a place to park your car, but a venue for family get-togethers, a sheltered workspace, or even your own personal fitness zone. Need more reasons to consider this spacious carport? Here's why choosing Allen's Factory Outlet will be the best decision you'll make. Reason number 1, full customization. Our 3D builder lets you take the reins. Pick your color, decide on the roof style, and add features like windows and doors to make it uniquely yours. Imagine having a space that's tailored to your exact needs. Reason number 2, free installation. Setting up a carport is a significant task. That's why at Allen's Factory Outlet, we offer free installation. Not only do you save money, but you also get a sturdy, reliable structure. It's our way of ensuring you get nothing but the best. Reason number 3, weather resistance. Our carports come with secure anchoring systems, ensuring they remain firmly in place during storms. But that's not all. They are also engineered to bear significant snow loads. Rest easy knowing your vehicle and belongings are safeguarded year-round. Reason number 4, flexible payment. Ordering is a breeze with our hassle-free payment system. Just a small deposit is needed up front and the balance is due upon delivery. And for peace of mind, all our carports are crafted with top-notch materials made in the USA. But don't take our word for it. Hear it firsthand from our satisfied customers.
We wanted the carport because my wife is used to having her car under cover. Now my wife can put her car under the carport and keep it fairly clean. I looked at different sites. A few of them had some bad reviews. A few of them had carports I didn't like. Then I found Allen's Outlet Factory. He had fantastic reviews. The carport were in range of what I was looking for. And so I chose Allen's.
Like Charles, over 13,000 clients left a 5-star review for Allen's Factory Outlet. Their carport, it became the talk of the neighborhood. Make the smart choice. Get an 18x20 carport today for way less than most people pay. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your carport. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.